Are you a discouraged new YouTuber? Hi, my name is Dave, and I'm here to help you. I started this new channel so that I can walk alongside new YouTubers just like you, so you can see what I do, learn from my methods, and grow your channel as quickly as possible, and celebrate together when we become monetized. Today, I want to talk about using the edge you have as a small channel YouTuber. You might now think you have much of an advantage, but you do. And so do I. You see, creators on really large channels can't reply to all of the comments on their videos, for instance. It's much more difficult for them to make a personal connection with their viewers like we can. When your viewers post a comment on your videos, please make sure to reply to them personally as soon as possible. If you haven't already, download the YouTube Studio app on your phone, and you can reply to view comments throughout the day. This is something large channel creators just can't do personally because they have too many videos and too many comments. Someday, your channel may become that big, but until then, use your edge as a small channel creator and personally reply to every single comment. This will help you better establish a relationship with your audience and help you grow your fanbase. If you've experienced growth on your channel implementing any of the advice that I've given in my videos, please share your story in the comment section. I'd love to read them and reply to you personally. Oh, and please like and consider subscribing so that you can watch more videos I upload about growing small YouTube channels just like yours. And one last thing. There's an affiliate link in the description below. If you're interested in investing some money and time to accelerate your YouTube channel success, I highly recommend you check it out. My name is Dave, and I really appreciate you watching this video today. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to join me in my next video coming out tomorrow.